it's Kerry. I've got pigs and cows on my farm today. This is my 3D puzzle pig, and I've got so many interesting facts for you today. Subscribe and give a thumbs up if you like farm animals. Pigs are very clean animals. They roll around in the mud to cool themselves off, and that's what my pigs will be doing today. When they live in a cool environment, they will stay very clean. They are very curious and intelligent animals and are found all over the world. Pigs like to snuggle close to one another and prefer to sleep nose to nose, laying down in close contact with each other. They dream much as humans do. In their natural surroundings, pigs spend hours playing, sunbathing and exploring. They're going to roll around in the mud now. That looks so much fun. Can you tell me, how many toes does a pig walk on? Is it 2 or 4? Pigs communicate constantly with other pigs. They use different sounds such as squealing or grunting. Newborn piglets learn to run to their mother's voices and to recognize their own names. A mother pig sings to their young while nursing. The Vietnamese Pot-bellied Pig, and you can see why it's called pot-bellied. Pigs appear to have a good sense of direction and have found their way home over great distances. And another pot-bellied pig. I'm using my Playmobil farmhouse here, and the trees and fence are also Playmobil. The Hungarian pig, it looks a bit like a sheep. Pigs are very clean animals. They make sure that their eating areas are completely separate from their toilet areas, and even newborn babies will leave their nest to use the toilet only hours after they have been born. Wow, that's an old pig of mine. Pigs are unable to sweat. They like to bathe in water or mud just like this to keep cool, and they actually prefer water to mud. Pigs do not eat like pigs or pig out. They prefer to eat slowly and savor their food. I'm going to move them over to make some more room for the next lot of pigs to go in the muddy water. The Berkshire pig. It has a little pink face and 4 pink trotters. They are extraordinarily intelligent, as well as being curious and insightful animals. Pigs are easily trained to walk on a leash, use a litter box and do tricks. Some people keep them as pets. Pigs are very peaceful animals, rarely showing aggression. The exception, as with many animals, is when a mother or the sow with her young piglets is provoked or threatened. Pigs have an incredible sense of smell. Their snouts have a large round disc that is made of cartilage at the very end. It is connected with muscles that allow it the ability to move so they can have the strength to root around in the ground and search for food. The pig is the last of the 12 animals in the Chinese zodiac. The pig is seen to represent fortune, honesty, happiness and virility. Pigs have 15,000 taste buds. Humans only have 9,000. An adult pig can run up to 11 miles per hour. They like to drink plenty of water every day. There are about 2 billion pigs on Earth. They live in every continent except for Antarctica. You might notice that they have 4 toes on each foot, but they only walk on 2. China has the most domesticated pigs in the world. The United States is second. People with allergies sometimes have pigs as pets because they have hair, not fur, and they do not shed. I'm just going to make some more room again. The Hampshire Pig. Notice the pink across its shoulder and down the front legs. In Denmark, there are twice as many pigs as people. A pig's heart is so similar to a human heart that in the past, surgeons have often used various parts of the heart as replacement parts in heart surgery. The pig heart valve is one of the most common ones that have been used. Pigs can pass on a variety of diseases to humans, so it's important to wash your hands after touching a pig. Relative to their body size, pigs have small lungs. Pigs are farmed for their meat, for things like bacon and ham. They are also used to make lard, which is a type of fat, glue, fertilizer and medicines. A group of pigs is called a herd. I'm going to move this out the way to make some more room for the mother pig. The Texas Longhorn cow, such an amazing looking animal. They have high reproductive rates and give birth to calves yearly for up to 15 years and make very good mothers. They keep a watchful eye over their calf and will protect their young. The Texas Longhorn bull. Those horns grow outward from the sides of the head and span up to 7 feet, more than 2 meters. It was developed naturally from wild Spanish stock mixing with the free-range domestic cattle of settlers. And here's the little calf. The calves are very small and fawn-like in appearance. They are usually on their feet and nursing in about 10 minutes after birth, which is really amazing. And these are my Playmobil pigs. They've been hiding at the back. They like the shade under the trees. I'm going to give them some fresh straw and show them to you. I really like how the head moves up and down, and a lovely silky looking skin on them. The mother pig has 3 piglets. They like rubbing noses. So many different types of pigs in the world. Such amazing creatures, so intelligent, and believe it or not, very clean. Now, this is my super-sized pig back here. It's actually a dog toy. I think it's going to cause some trouble today. Wow, that's a noise and a half. I'm going to move the fence out the way. And let's see what happens. Thank you for watching my video. It really helps if you're able to share my videos on any of the social media sites that you like to visit. See you again soon.